The Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam says, لَيْسَ الْمُؤْمِنَ بِالطَّاعَانِ وَلَا اللِّعَانِ وَلَا الْفَاحِشَ وَلَا الْبَذِيءِ. That the true believer is not one who taunts others, who curses them, who belittles them, who uses indecent language. Rather, the true believer is the one who follows the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam in his conduct. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَإِنَّكَ لَعَلَى خُلُقٍ عَظِيمٍ. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam has the best character. And the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam also tells us, إِنَّمَا بُعِثْتُ لِيُتَمِّمَ حُسْنُ الْأَخْلَاقِ. I was not sent down except to perfect good character. And then the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam further tells us, لا يكون اللعانون الشفعاء ولا شهداء يوم القيامة. Those who are habitually cursing others, they will not be intercessors, nor will they be testimonies, witnesses on the day of judgment. That's why you will see an individual will be so rotten to the core, to the point that they will start by making fun and cursing the believers until the point where they go and they even start to curse the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's companions, his wives, and the family of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give us the best of akhlaq and to allow us to be sincere and to be pure in the way we deal with the people. When I'm not studying, I just go around, walk around, just buy random stuffs from every single one of the supermarkets. There's literally a supermarket in every single corner. Right now I'm in the library, I'm in the Makkah, which is literally on the first floor, and there is an amazing view just right here. Look at the view here, amazing. Just put a chair here, and you've got all of these books to go over, all of that, and then you've got some water filling station. There's two pigeons fighting here. I'm just reading my book.
You need to make that.
So this is gate number 79, and this is where you will see the lessons take place. And then right from here is the library of Masjidul Haram, right there. This is the Maktaba. So first floor, gate 79, and then right here you have the talk all the time, which is live stream, and I'll put some links down in the description below. You can join the Telegram GC, and you can know you can see all of this stuff. It's all live, recorded, streamed, and you can come and join. But obviously it's for Arabic speakers, so you can come and check it out, inshallah. وَلَئِن كَفَرْتُمْ إِنَّ عَذَابِي لَشَدِيدٌ وَقَالَ مُوسَى إِن تَكْفُرُوا أَنْتُمْ وَمَا فِي الْأَرْضِ جَمِيعًا. So basically, once in a while what they do is that they bring, the shuyukh, external shuyukh from Riyadh and different other cities to come and give talks. Sorry, it's extremely bright, and as you can see, straight after Asr prayer, so it's still very hot. But anyway, what I wanted to mention is so we were basically going to the Haram for the past few days. Basically for a week they had all of these durus and whatnot, and there were so many, subhanallah, so it was very hard to catch up. And especially sometimes when the shuyukh do speak very fast, when it comes to Arabic, it can be hard, right? But what's interesting, right, is so Sheikh Abdul Salam As-Suwair, he is, for those of you guys who don't know, he's a very high-level scholar when it comes to the Hanbali fiqh. Actually, this is good. I found some shade. So Sheikh Abdul Salam As-Suwair, he went over the book, Bidayatul Abid wa Kifayatul Zahid, and it's a very interesting book, beginner book on the Hanbali fiqh. by Al-Ba'li rahimahullah ta'ala. He's from the Hanbali madhab. And on top of that, we also had Sheikh Sa'ad al-Shithri and many of the other scholars. There was the Sharh of Nukhbatul Fikhr, which is by Ibn Hajar al-Asqalani rahimahullah ta'ala. They went over the sharh of that, the explanation of that, and then they also went over the kitab al-usul min ilm al-usul. So there was a lot of stuff that they were going over, and yeah, very interesting, subhanallah, trying to take as many benefits as possible. And sometimes, sometimes people will be like, I feel tired, I don't want to go to the dars, or I don't understand as much because it's in Arabic. But what I say is, the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he said, لا يقود قوم يذكرون الله عز وجل إلا حفتهم الملائكة وغشيتهم الرحمة ونزلت عليهم السكينة وذكرهم الله في من عنده. There is no group of people that they get together in a gathering trying to seek knowledge except that إلا حفتهم الملائكة وغشيتهم الرحمة ونزلت عليهم السكينة, right? And except that there's going to be upon you, of course, the angels are surrounding that gathering. Also what you will get is you will be getting that rahmah from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and of course that sakina, that tranquility, that serenity is basically going to come down on you. And subhanallah, you guys don't understand, it's so hot, I can barely keep my eyes open. So I think it's only fair if I just get some Zamzam water right here. So sometimes 2 cups come out, so you want to be careful because you don't want all of this plastic to get wasted. Bismillah. This one's nice and cold. Bismillah. The Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Ma'u zamzam lima shuriba lah. The water of Zamzam is for whatever you drink it for. So you can drink it, and before it make dua, say Bismillah, and then ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala whatever is it that you want, righteous wife, children. رَبَّنَا هَبْ لَنَا مِنْ أَزْوَاجِنَا وَذُرِّيَّاتِنَا قُرَّةَ أَعْيُنٍ وَجَعَلْنَا لِلْمُتَّقِينَ إِمَامًا. Or let's say you just want to make dua on I don't know, اللهم إني أسألك علما نافعا ورزقا طيبا وعملا متقبلا. Whatever you do, make dua, and then with your right hand, Bismillah, and then inshallah Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is more likely to, of course, accept it. Also, what's interesting is the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, خير ماء الأرض ماء زمزم. The best water that you can get on the face of this earth is the water of Zamzam. فيه طعام من الطعم وشفاء من السقم. In it you will find basically food for those who want to eat, and also a drink. So you will see that Zamzam is special. It's not like all the other waters. Is completely special. And in our Seerah classes as part of Muslims We Connect, we talked about the interesting thing, how the Zamzam well was rediscovered by Abdul Muttalib. But yeah, this is just something that you wanna go and look into. Also, the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that إن آية بيننا وبين المنافقين إنهم لا يتضلعون من زمزم. That from the ayahs, that from the signs of the munafiqeen between them and us, from the hypocrites, is that they actually don't like to drink from the water of Zamzam. Obviously, this is, back in the days, the munafiqeen, they didn't like to drink from Zamzam. And you see this, subhanAllah, this is a blessed water. It's not like any other water that you get anywhere else. And the fact that you literally have to pay for this a lot of money in the UK, and you get absolutely it for free here in Makkah and Medina, is you want to make the most out of it. Literally in the UK, I would be getting drinks because I'm thirsty. Here, I do not get drinks. I'm waiting. Literally, I just come in, refill, cold Zamzam water, and that's it. Because how can you choose any drink over Zamzam water? Another sad note, guys. Subhanallah, I was holding my pen, and it looks like I lost my pen in the haram. I keep on losing things, so I don't like to lose them. Now I'm gonna go for a long walk, and I'm gonna go and buy, inshallah, another pen, because I'm always making notes. If I don't make notes, I feel like things are not really going in my head. Because nowadays, like for years, I was always someone who used to write. Even when I was a young baby, I always used to write. So writing is something that I do, not even to look back on my notes. It's just something so that I can, I can get as many senses of mine involved. I can't even see the camera. I can't see anything. That's how bright it is. So writing is something that I do all the time. And there's actually this book by Al-Khatib al-Baghdadi. I think it's Taqid al-Ilm, where he basically talks about the importance of just writing in general, preserving the knowledge, the scriptures and whatnot. So writing is something very, very interesting. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says actually, Noon wal qalami wa ma yasturun. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala actually takes an oath by the qalam, which is the pen. But anyway, my hands are hurting. I'm going to go and buy my pen, inshallah.
فهؤلاء القدرية النفاة الذين ينكرون علم الله السابق بنفيه ومات على الإسلام ومن دون التابعين فيه مثله.
Guess where I am back? Climbing Jabal al-Nur for like, I don't even know, this is so many times. The reason why I'm doing it is because I'm actually doing it with my family. So my family came to Makkah so many times, subhanAllah, and they never climbed Jabal al-Nur. So I said, okay, let's do it now. So me, my mom and dad, we're just gonna go climb there. It's mainly for a bit of exercise, just to relax, and I just want to enjoy the views, and I just want to make a nice little video reminder, just freestyle it, you know, just take it nice and easy, inshallah. You know what time it is, guys. Put your AirPods on, literally nice little Islamic lecture, and then continue walking. You can basically get cold water, but because it's so hot, it's just gonna become hot in like 2 seconds. Also, another thing I realized, last time I was here 6-7 months ago, guys, like it was way more packed because it was like during December time, so people were just coming in, easy to do everything. But now it's gonna get hot very quick. That's why we came straight out of Hajj. That's the view that you can see, all the houses, the district in the back. La ilaha illallah. Just trying to see if I'm in focus. Oh, subhanallah. I just bought this lemonade and I can't lie to you, all the dust is inside there, so there's no way I can drink it now. Okay, bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillahi amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. So I'm all the way up here in Jabal al-Nur. This is basically the mountain that the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam received the revelation. So I just thought maybe come in, let's just freestyle, let's just speak. Well, literally back down. I need to go back to the hotel and sleep.